So next topic is the BCD weighted codes. These are the 4 types. Some of the BCD weighted codes are that is one is the 8421 code and also 2421 code and also XS3 code and also gray code. These are the some of the BCD weighted codes. So first one 8421 code. So 8421 code, once observe this one. 8 means, what is the 8? 8 means 2 power 3. So 8 means 2 power 3 and 4 means 2 power 2. 4 means 2 power 2 and 2 means 2 power 1. 2 means 2 power 1 and 1 means 2 power 0. 1 means 2 power 0. So it is the code format. Actually. So 8482. So that is called the 8482. So 8 means, what is that 8? 2 power 3. 4 means, that is called the 2 power 2. 2 power 2. And also 2 means, that is called the 2 power 1. That is called the 2 power 1. And also 1 means 2 power 0. It is called 2 power 0. So it is the representation. So it is called the 8421 representation. So it is the 8, for example. How to represent the 6 in? How to represent 6 in 8421 code. So 8421 code means 6 means 4 plus 2. So after 4 plus 2. So that in the place of 4 you can put 1. In the place of 8 you can put 0. So in this one, once observe this one. In the 8th place you can put 0, in the 4th place you can put 1, in the 2th place you can put 1, at 0 place you can put 0. So that 4 plus 2, 6. So that it is equal to, what is the code? 0110. So 6 is represented in the 0110. That is called the 8421 code. For example, you can say any example. Any example is, for example, 9. 9 means 9. How to represent 9? 9 represent in 8421 code. How to represent? That is called 9 means 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 means, so 8 plus 1. In this example, 8 means 1, 4 is 0, 2 is 0, 1 means 1. So 8 plus 1. So it is called the 1001. That is called the 100. So in this example, that is called the 1001. So that is called the 1001. So it is called the 9. So we can represent any number like this one. So in this example, 8 and also 1 is enabled. So 1. Remaining 2 are zeros because 8 plus 1 9. So that is called the 8421. Similarly, 2421 code. So 2421 code means same. 2421 code means you can take same example. For example, so in the 2421 code. So 2421 code. So it is the second position, it is the fourth one, it is the 2, it is the 2, it is the 1. So for example, represent 16. So represent 16 24214. So 2421 code, it is the 2. So you can put 1. It is the 4. You can put 1. 4 plus, so it is equal to 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 means 2 is 1, 4 is 1. So remaining are the zeros. So it is called, the code is 1100. It is called a 6. And similarly, how to represent 9? Represent 9 in 24214. So 9 means, what is that 9? 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So it is equal to 2 is 1, 4 is 1, 2 is 1, 1 is 1. So all ones. So it is equal to all ones. So it is called the 9. So it is called the 9. So it is called the 2421. And also similarly, excess 3 code. So excess 3 code is similar. Excess 3 code is calculation is excess 3 code is equal to 8421 BCD code plus 3. You can add 3. 0011. You can add 3. It is the formula. So any number you can add it like this one. So for example, 6. How to represent 6? Represent 6 in excess 3 code. So how to add 6? So 6 means 8421 format 6 means 0110. So plus you can add 0011. So what is that output? So output is, so in this example, so that is the, for example, once observe this one. Excess 3 code. In the excess 3 code, for example, you can take any number. So it is the 8421 for 6. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. So you can add 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. So what we will get? Sum is, it is the carry, it is the sum is 0 plus 1 means 1, carry is 0. So 1, 1, 0 means sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 means sum is 0, carry is 1. Again 0, 0, 1 means sum is 1. So that in this example, so 0, 1, 1, 0 is equal to sum equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So in the excess 3 code, the 6 is the, that is called the 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1 is called the 6. So that we can represent any number like this one. So for example, represent 7. For example, represent 9. Represent 9 in excess 3 code. So how to represent 9? So similarly same. So in the 9, what is the 8421 code? Is the 98421 code is, so that is called the 9 equal to, that is the 1001, and also you can add 3. Add 3. 3 means 0011. So in this one 9 means 1001 and 3 means 0011. So after that sum is, what is the sum? 1 plus 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. Again 0 plus 1 plus 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. 0 plus 1 means sum is 1. It is the carry is 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 1, sum is 1. So that in this one, 9 code is 1100. So in the XS3 code, the 9 is representing in 1100. So that it is called the XS3 code. 9 XS3 code is, so 9 XS3 code is 1100. Like that one, we can calculate any digit. So we can calculate any digit like this one. So that is called the BCD code. The next one is the gray code. So how to calculate gray code? The gray code means, for example, binary digit. Binary number is, suppose B3, B2, B1, B0, for example, position, 4-bit position. So that is for the B2, for example, B2, B1, B0. So example, 6 means, how to represent 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. So B0 is 0, B1 is 1, B2 is 1, B3 is 1. So it is the normal 8421 code. So that what is the gray code? So gray code is representing like digits are G3, G2, G1, G0. So what is the G3, G1, G0? So G0 equal to B0 XOR, that is the XOR means XOR B0 XOR B1, B0 XOR B1, and also G1 equal to B1 XOR B2 XOR B2. G2 equal to, that is the B2 XOR B3, and also G3 equal to B3. So it is the formula. So in this example, what is the G0? In this example, G0 is 0. So any number you can represent like this one. So for example, we can represent any number. So any number in this one. So it is the 6, for example. 6, how to represent 6 in 8480? 0, 1, 1, 0. So what is the gray code? Gray code is, so it is the G0 position. G0 means G0, it is the B0, B1. G0, 0 XOR 1. So in the XOR operation, 0, 0 means, the XOR operation, 0 XOR 0 means, that is the 0. That is the 0. Is equal to 0. 0 XOR 1 means, it is the 1. 1 XOR 1 means, it is the 1. 1 XOR 1. Again, 1 XOR 1 equal to, what is that one? 1 XOR 0 equal to 1, 1 XOR 1 equal to 0. So identical numbers means, that is the identical numbers is 0, opposite numbers it is continuing with 1. So once you observe here. So 6 means, gray code means 0, 1. 0, 1 means 1, 1, 1 means 0, 1, 0 means 1. So it is the 0. So gray code is the 0, 1, 0, 1. And similarly 9. 9 means gray code is, what is the 9 gray code? 1, 9 means, that is the 1, 0, 0, 1. So that in this one, 1 XOR 0 means 1, 0 XOR 0 means 0, 1 XOR 0 XOR 1 means 1, 1 means